Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, we are in part 2 of our nautical theme, and we're going to do another video that's boat or shipping related, right? So in the last video we did a ship's helm, and today we're going to do a porthole. Now let's start with let's do a cylinder, why not? Okay, so we got our cylinder, we're going to right click at a face, we're going to jump to the top, and we're going to drag select and get rid of all these faces. So this is what we have, right? We're going to right click at the edge, double click, hit W, push it down to about there. Then we're going to go to edge again, double click, Control E to extrude, R to scale out to about there, G to repeat, and W to push down. All right. That's what we have so far. We're going to go in here, we're going to take this edge, we're going to hit bevel, let's do a few segments here, so that's looking okay. Then what we're going to do is hit Control E for the whole thing to give it some thickness, 0.1, a little bit less, 0.3, 0.03, that's what I was looking for, yep. All right, and then finally we're going to go and select it and go to mesh and smooth, and that's plenty, but we're going to go and hit 1 to go back because I want, come on, go back, yep, because I want this to be a beveled edge. Let's do 0.2. That's good. And then we're going to go to mesh and smooth. All right, so that's the first part. Now we need this to be riveted to the hull of the ship, right? So we're going to create a rivet, and we're going to do that by getting a sphere. And we'll jump in here, right click at a face, get rid of this much. Actually, what I'll do is I'll open up the attribute editor, get this guy selected, and we're going to reduce this to 6 by 6. That's better. Yep. Then we're going to go in here, we're going to get a face, we're going to drag select, get rid of it. Let's go to object mode, hit R, it's going to squish it, and then scale it down a lot. Go to our top view, and we're going to W, we're going to move this up. This is of course way too big, so we'll just scale it down a little. After frame, that looks good. A little bit higher, there you go. Then we need rivets all around, so we're going to hit Control D to duplicate. And actually I forgot something, hit the insert key, move the pivot point to the center. Hit the insert key again, Control D to duplicate, E to rotate, hold down J. We'll do that, and then we'll hit Shift D a bunch of times until we are all the way around. All right, we're going to grab these, we're going to hit W, we're going to push them down. After frames, we can see what's going on. All right, there you go. Now, next up, what we need is the actual porthole, right? So what we're going to do there is we're going to grab another cylinder. We're going to hit R. We're going to flare that out to about there. Jump to the top. Right click at a face. Drag select. Delete that. Let's go to edge, double click, hit W, push that down, to about there. All right. We're gonna hit Control E to extrude. Let R to push in. G to repeat. W to move up. G to repeat. R to scale out. G to repeat. W to push up. G to repeat. R to scale in again. And G to repeat. And W to push down. G, R to push out. G, W to push down. G, R to scale in. G again, R to scale in. Let's go to mesh and fill hole. Select this. Go to add on mesh and poke. So we don't have any issues again, or any more, I should say. Yeah, that looks good. We're gonna go and bevel a few edges here. Bevel 0.5 is good. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna hit 3 to preview smooth, so I'll get something looking like that. Then we need some sort of latch system. So what we'll do here is we will kind of put it in a hinge, right? So we'll hit E to rotate, hold on J. Hit R, scale it down. W, move it over. Come on. Left frame. This is a little big, of course. Not massively too big, but a little. So let's do that. Then we're going to right click at the face. We're going to right click at the edge, double click, shift, double click, Control E to extrude, R to scale in. Push that out like so. This is going to be kind of welded on, if you will, right? We're going to make it a bit longer though, like that. Then we're going to grab a sphere, E to rotate, hold on J, flip it on its side. Get rid of half, scale this guy down a lot. Let's see where we're at. Push that out. F to frame, R to scale down. There you go. Scale it up a little bit. W, move that over. Right click at an edge, double click, Control E to extrude, R to scale. Object mode, Control D to duplicate, W to move. E to flip around, hold on J. So we got a nice big hinge at this end, and then we need some kind of latch to kind of keep it in place, right? And let's see how we're going to do that. I'm going to grab a torus. I'm going to make this nice and small. And again, this is supposedly welded, right? Yeah, let's take this and get rid of that one. And then we'll, let's see, what are we doing here? Yeah, that works, right? So we have that, and there's going to be a latch going through this, but that's going to be attached to the hull of the ship, right? And so, yeah, so we're not going to be modeling that. Now, what we can do to give it a little bit more detail is to put small rivets on the outer edge here. So let's do that. We'll grab another sphere. Way too big, of course, but that's all good. We're going to go to face. We're going to drag select all of this, get rid of that. Then we're going to go to modify and center pivot. Right click, edge, double click, Control E to extrude, W to push down. There you go. Then we're going to bring this down. And we're going to scale it. Hit W, move that up. Scale it some more. That will be a proper rivet. Okay. Control D to duplicate, E to rotate, hold down J. I forgot again, come on. We need to move the pivot point first. Hit the insert key, hold down X, snap it, hit the insert key again. Control D to duplicate, E to rotate, hold down J. And here we're going to do a whole bunch, right? And with small stuff like this, you can kind of sell the item a little bit, right? So we're going to move this down. And these will be our rivets. So this on the side of a ship wouldn't be too bad, right? And yeah, there's our porthole. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you got any requests for this series, anything specific, mass, sails, parts of a ship, I don't care, and I'll be happy to make a video on it, right? Well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.